K5, we get to do another science lesson today. So we're going to be in our science book and I will show you the pages. Now we've been talking about animals. We talked about animals and their babies and their homes, and insects, which, how many legs do insects have? 6. And spiders, how many legs do spiders have? 8. Then we also talked about some zoo animals, about the funny otters and monkeys, about the bears and the birds. And today we're going to continue talking about animals, and we're going to start with reptiles. All right, so we're on page 68 in our books, boys and girls, which I will show you. All right, can you see that? Let me get it just right for you. There we go. All right, reptiles. There are many different kinds of reptiles. Reptiles do not live where it's cold. They like warm weather. Now, here's just some different types of reptiles, boys and girls. Snakes have scales. They slither from place to place. And some people like snakes a lot. Some people do not like them at all. Turtles have shells to protect their bodies like shields. Alligators use their tails to help them swim. Okay, have you ever seen an alligator at a zoo? Boys and girls, I grew up in the state of Florida, and in Florida there are a lot of alligators. Okay, so I have seen an alligator in a lake before. Now, lizards use their tongues to smell. If a lizard loses his tail, he can grow another one. Now, another type of animal is amphibians. Amphibians live in the water and on the land. Their bodies change as they get older. Most amphibians eat insects and worms. Okay, look at that funny frog up there. All right, now look here. Baby frogs are called tadpoles. Frogs have strong legs that help them to hop. Toads do not drink water. Water soaks into their bodies through their skin. Now that's very interesting, isn't it? And salamanders are very quiet. They do not make any noise at all. Now, another type of animal is farm animals. And we know about farm animals here in Carrollton, don't we? God gave us animals to help us. The farmer makes homes for his animals. All right, now look at the pretty horses and the cows. Okay, there's a nice barn, and sheep and chickens. I think many of you have chickens. I know some of you have baby chicks. Right now you've got baby chicks or eggs that are incubating. Okay, now it says down here, there's a Bible verse, Genesis 1:28. And God blessed them, and God said unto them, Be fruitful and multiply and replenish the earth and subdue it, and have dominion over every living thing that moveth upon the earth. So God made man to have dominion or charge over the animals. All right, animals at home. Now these are some of our favorite kinds of animals, boys and girls. Pets. Animals can make good pets. Pets need food, water, and exercise. Dogs like to run and play. Cats like to climb and jump. Birds can fly and chirp. And fish like to swim. Okay, look at the animals down here on the bottom. Okay, what type of pet do you have? All right, boys and girls. Now, this is what you're going to be able to do at home. This side says something you can do. Match the animals to their homes and color the pictures. So draw lines to match the animals and then color the pictures. Match them to their homes. And then on this side it says, draw the animal that would live in this house. What kind of animal do you think lives there? Draw a picture and color it. Then down here you're going to draw a spider in his web. And here you're going to draw a home for this animal. That's a little goldfish. What kind of home would you draw for an animal, for a goldfish? Okay, you think about that. If you're not sure, ask your homework helper. All right, boys and girls, that's all we're going to do today. You enjoy doing those pages. The science pages are a lot of fun. All right, and you have a great day and a great weekend.